Now let us look at the installation process. Before installing Playwright, we need to have certain tools on our machine. They are node.js, sorry, node.js and VS Code. To install node.js, let us go to Google and type node.js download. Click on the first link and scroll down a little bit and select this Windows installer. Once this is done, run the installer and follow the default instructions to complete the installations. And to verify that we have installed the node properly, just go to command prompt cmd and type node space hyphen v. So it installed properly. Here we can see the version. The next one is VS Code. To install, go to Google and type Visual Studio Code download. Click on the first link and here click on the Windows button. If you are using Mac machine, you click on the Mac button. I'm clicking on this Windows downloads, and to install, follow the default instructions to complete the installation. Now we have these two ready. They are node.js and VS Studio Code. Now let us create a folder in some drive. So I have created in D drive. The name I have given is Playwright Automation. Now I'll open this folder in VS Code. So I'll go to VS Code, go to File, and select Add Folder to Workspace. Browse this folder. It's in D drive and select the folder and click on add. Click on S. So now need to click on this button Explorer, and if we see that this folder is imported here. So if we open, there is nothing inside this Playwright automation folder because we have not installed anything here. Now let us install Playwright into this folder. To do that, let us go to their official website, that is playwright.devs. In that, click on docs and click on this installation. And if we scroll down, we will get this command, that is npm space init space playwright at latest. Just copy this and go to our VS Code. Here click on this terminal. Select new terminal and make sure we are on proper path. Here just paste that command and click on enter. So now we can see it is getting installed. So it is asking, is it okay to proceed? Press Y, yes. And here it is asking us to choose between the languages, whether we want TypeScript or JavaScript. If you want JavaScript, just press down arrow. If you want TypeScript, let it be that and press enter. And where to put your end-to-end tests. By default, it creates the test folder, and inside that only we can create our scripts. So let it be this, and I'm pressing enter. And I don't want GitHub and all now, so pressing enter and install Playwright browsers. So it is installing all the browsers along with installing Playwright. Pressing enter, installing. It's installing Playwright tests. So internally it is executing this command. So now installation is completed. We can see that found zero vulnerabilities. It is installing the browsers. Chromium browser. Now it is installing Firefox. Earlier it installed Chromium, means Chrome browser. Now it is installing WebKit, that is Safari. So now we can see it's completely installed. It's saying happy hacking. We expand this Playwright automation folder, we can see that Playwright is installed. I'll make some other video and I'll explain each and every component of it. Now, let us make sure that we have installed Playwright properly, and let us execute some of the script the Playwright has given us. So to test, go to the terminal and type npx space playwright test and press enter. So this command executes all the tests. So it has two tests under this example spec and four more under this demo dot to do. And if you can see this, it is not opening any browser. By default, it is executing in headless mode. It is executing the fourth one, now sixth one. So now we can see that six tests are passed, and it has by default it has given us a report also. Just copy this command and paste it here. And thank you for watching this video. And what I say is, don't just watch the video, please practice along with me. And if you get stuck or if you do not understand any step, please comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks again and happy learning.